Hello! Hello guys!
Hello.
So we are here at the Nightcliff Foreshore. Look at the view. Beautiful sunset today. Nice. And then we are going to
We're here to celebrate the Father's Day.
So
Happy
that's-
Father's Day.
Yes. Thank you, sweetie. That's very nice. Okay.
So,
So,
punta na tayo dun sa cafe to meet the kids.
alright. Have dinner.
See you
Have dinner. Alright.
Okay.
So, ayan guys, naglalakad tayo. Papunta tayo dun sa restaurant. I think may magpapakain sa akin. Alright.
May free dinner.
So, may free dinner yata ako. Alright, bago kayo tumawid, magtingin-tingin muna. Take a picture of you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a picture of you.
Looks different. Is there? Oh, yeah, it's a big different. We can order.
I think, yeah, Siya mentioned there's a change. What's that?
Charred lamb. Crispy chopped potatoes, baby carrots, and coffee honey glazed onion and parsley. Mine is honey glazed pork loin, truffle mash, and broccoli. Almost literally, I feel like we're turning into.
How does it look?
So then I started watching educational videos on investing, baking. Yeah, you say.
Lamb cutlets?
Lamb.
Pork is very tender. So long story
Try this.
short.
You should come to Foreshore Cafe. The Foreshore Cafe at Nightcliff. This is very nice. The barramundi is very nice. And this
Pork loin.
pork loin. Alright. So we will enjoy our dinner now. See you later.